What are employee rights in the workplace? In today's fast-paced world, employee rights in the workplace are more relevant than ever. With recent discussions on labor laws, many are asking, what exactly are these rights? Understanding employee rights is essential for both workers and employers as they navigate the current job market. Employee rights are protections and entitlements granted by labor and employment laws. These laws ensure fair treatment, safety, and non-discrimination for workers. They cover various areas, including wages, working conditions, and the ability to report violations without fear of retaliation. One key right is the right to fair compensation. Employees must be paid at least the minimum wage and receive overtime pay when applicable. Laws regulate exemptions to prevent misclassification that can deny overtime benefits. Another important right is the right to a safe workplace. Employers are required to provide a workplace free from recognized hazards. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration enforces safety standards and investigates violations. Protection from discrimination and harassment is also critical. Employees are safeguarded against discrimination based on race, gender, disability, and other protected classes. Laws like the Rehabilitation Act ensure these protections are upheld. Workers also have the right to report violations and receive whistleblower protections. They can report unsafe conditions or illegal activities without fear of retaliation. Recent cases have highlighted this right, with employers facing consequences for wrongful terminations. Additionally, employees have the right to organize and engage in collective bargaining. Legal developments continue to shape worker classification and union-related rights. Job security and fair treatment are also vital components of employee rights. Employees are protected from wrongful termination and unfair treatment based on discriminatory reasons. Courts have ruled in favor of workers alleging bias and unfair treatment. Recent regulatory changes show ongoing adjustments in how these rights are applied. The United States Department of Labor is working to rescind certain regulations affecting overtime and worker classification. Safety enforcement remains active, with penalties imposed for violations. Legal actions are taken against employers who fail to comply with workplace safety laws. Understanding these rights helps employees recognize when their protections may be at risk. It also informs employers of their legal obligations under labor and employment law. Staying informed about these rights is essential for everyone in the workforce today.